Hey guys, welcome to this video. So we decided to stop and actually shoot some videos because it was super cloudy and we didn't really want to go down when it was so cloudy, but now it's actually clearing, so I'm going to get these videos done. Do you want to be able to make $20, $30, $40, even $100 a day extra money? Well, it's totally possible with this one website. This website is called Fiverr. But before I tell you about that website, please consider clicking that subscribe button down below. It's the red one. Hit the bell notification and yeah, join this little community. You can see I'm getting more subscribers every single day. It's amazing, and I'm Sherry Morris. I teach you about business, I teach you how to make money, and I do some cool cinematic traveling shots because I'm traveling a lot this year. So if you want to make some extra money every single day, it's freezing cold. If you want to make some extra money every single day, an amazing place to do that is Fiverr. What is Fiverr? So Fiverr is a freelance website where you post a specific service. So let's say you're good at editing on Photoshop, or you're good at creating videos, or you're good at copywriting, or you're good at voiceovers. Fiverr is a place where you can go and post your job. People will come and actually, like for example, I've used Fiverr if I want someone to do a voiceover for one of my videos. So people will come to Fiverr, and if they find you, you will, and they'll pay for your gig, because it's called gigs. All you then do is you do the job, done. Now, I know it's called Fiverr, and usually gigs are about $5 each. However, Fiverr's changed a bit, and you can actually sell for a lot more. So people could sell gigs for $30, for $15, for $100, for as much as you want, pretty much. And I feel very safe. And the best part about Fiverr is it doesn't matter if you're good at something or not. For example, my brother Josh, he did a Fiverr gig where he made thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, and the gig was just reviewing someone's website. Because one thing people love is getting an outside opinion on their work, on their website, on their article, on their blogs. So an amazing Fiverr gig is, I will review your website, or I will read over your blog, I will analyze this, I will analyze that. It's an amazing, you don't have to be an expert in anything. People just like having a second opinion or a third opinion, and they'll happily pay for it. There's countless times where I have sent out my articles to different people to read, even if they're not amazing in English, just to get a third opinion or second opinion, because they will notice things that I didn't notice because I've written it myself. Another amazing job with Fiverr is just creating videos like this for people. So someone saying, I need a video, you talking about this, done. Or another amazing one is creating blog posts for people. So someone saying to you, I need a blog post or an article about this topic, boom, you have to write that. It's so easy, and if you're good at Photoshop or Premiere Pro or anything, there's just so many jobs. So head over to Fiverr, browse the website, see what you could actually do on Fiverr, and get an idea, write a list of things, and then create your account. You start with level 1, go to level 2, and then you become a gold seller, or whatever it's called, as soon as you start getting good reviews and delivering a lot of gigs. It's a great way to make money. My brother made, like, I think 6 or 7 grand in just a few months doing it, and it's really easy. But the only difference with that is it's not passive. So in order to make money, you have to work. Passive is something like Amazon, but in this video I just wanted to tell you how you can make like an extra $50 a day. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever heard of Fiverr, or if it's something you're looking to get into, maybe to make a bit of extra cash, to start a huge business like Amazon. And give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you in tomorrow's video. So thank you so much for watching.